Just look natural if you can.
Come on, Scarlets!
McNichol backs himself to get around Porter. McNichol keeps it alive. What a piece of play that is. And they're in the corner. Ryan Conbeer with his 10th try of the URC season.
Oh my god!
Out ball for Fafita. Inside ball from Fafita. Steph Evans. And he will run it in for the Scarlets. And storming through all the way for the line. Scarlets have their second. Sam Lousy. Or rather, they're Fafita.
Looks for McNichol, flat ball out. Decides to kick, will that hold up in the wind? How will it bounce? Backwards! Oh, Jonathan